Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Teachable is a cloud-based learning management system, LMS, that allows course creators to build their branded online schools. Users can create courses using various multimedia formats, including video, audio, text, and quizzes. Teachable provides tools for course customization, marketing, and payment processing. It offers both free and paid plans, allowing instructors to choose the features that best suit their needs. Here are 9 ways to earn money from Teachable. 1. Create and sell courses. The primary way to earn money on Teachable is by creating and selling your online courses. You can develop courses on a wide range of topics, from academic subjects to professional skills and personal development. 2. Set your course pricing. Teachable allows you to set the pricing for your courses. You can offer free courses, one-time purchase options, or subscription-based pricing models. 3. Bundle courses to increase sales and provide added value. You can bundle multiple courses together and offer them at a discounted package price. 4. Subscription models. Implement subscription-based models to generate recurring revenue. Offer monthly or annual subscriptions to access your content. 5. Offer free courses with upsells. Create free courses as lead magnets to attract potential students. Once they enroll in your free course, you can upsell them to premium courses or additional content. 6. Drip content. Release content over time using drip scheduling. This approach can encourage students to stay engaged and continue their subscriptions or enroll in additional courses. 7. Affiliate marketing. Implement an affiliate marketing program to allow affiliates to promote your courses. You can reward affiliates with commissions for each successful sale they generate. 8. Leverage marketing and sales tools. Teachable provides marketing and sales tools, including email marketing, coupon codes, and integration with payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. Utilize these tools to optimize your sales strategy. 9. Create membership sites. Offer exclusive membership sites with premium content and ongoing updates. Charge a recurring fee for access to these membership communities.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.